Let's learn the stem stitch. Stem stitch belongs to the back stitch family. We'll begin by bringing the needle up at point 1 and making a straight stitch till point 2. Just like how we start the back stitch. But this time, we 1T pull the thread all the way down. We'll leave a small loop like this. Now bring the needle up from point 3, which is between points 1 and 2 like this, and then gently pull the thread through. Now insert the needle at point 4 from point 3. Again, don't pull the thread completely. Now bring the needle up from point 5, which lies between points 3 and 4 like this. Keep continuing this process until you complete your line. Because of this technique, your line will have a slightly twisted look. Stem stitch is perfect for creating stems of flowers, and it's also great for outlines and lettering in your embroidery projects. Now let's stitch an actual stem using the stem stitch. We'll follow the same technique I just showed you, but this time the line is slightly curved. Bring your needle up from the center between 2 stitches, and then pull the thread all the way through. Keep using the same technique throughout the entire stem. So this is how we do a stem stitch. Just keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. I can't wait to see all that you create using stem stitch. Happy embroidering!